Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. We're going to learn how to make some yarn rope. Hold on tight. Here's the theme song.
Love Miss Bob! Love Miss Bob! Love Miss Bob!
Hello, welcome. So I'm going to be using a board. I'm going to use some yarn. I have 6 different colors because I want to make a beautiful little pieces of rainbow rope. Then we're also going to need our scissors and some tape. I'm using just some duct tape, no big deal. So to get started, we're just going to take the first bit of our yarn. Again, I use these clips to hold my scraps together. And we're just going to kind of decide about how long of a piece we want. Now I'm using these to make earrings, so I'm not really pulling out a lot, maybe a foot there. And the yarn will about double up when I'm done twisting it. So I'm going to measure off a second piece of the same color because since I'm making earrings, then I need 2 to match. And now we're going to go forward and do all of the other colors. Okay, I am going to pause here while I cut the rest. Don't worry about it. All right, here I have cut all of the colors. I have them ready to go, and I'm just going to tie them in a simple overhand knot. That's just around, over, and push the ends through. There we go. Pull tight. I don't want very much on the ends, so I'm going to push that knot as close to the ends as I can do it where I still have grabbing room. Okay, and here we are. Here's the piece I have tied my knot. I'm going to take that knot and I'm taping it down to the board. You might be able to tape it to your table. I cannot. And no, I don't quite like where I've taped that. So I'm going to move that tape because as you can see here, if I start to twist it, part of it's going to be under that tape. So I'm just going to move it just a smidge to where it's just on the edge of the knot. I don't want it touching any of the part I'm going to twist. Push my tape down really hard so that it holds well, and then I just start twisting. I pick a direction, twist all the pieces together as one, keep my hands really close to the part I'm twisting so that I can hold it tight. You want a good, tight twist, because if it's loose, it's not going to do what needs to be done. So keep your fingers close to it and twist, and then just keep going until the end of the yarn. That's going to just, like I said, tight, and keep your fingers close pinching it after you twisted. So here we go. We're going to twist all the way down to the ends here, which I'm going to go kind of off camera because it doesn't back out far enough for you to see. But I just keep going to the ends, super tight. You can even see where it's kind of buckling there a little bit because it's that tight. And that's fine. Just twist and twist and twist, all in the same direction until you get to the end. Almost there. Just nice and tight. I'm sorry, this is all off camera. Now, I have my end there, so I'm going to figure out about where the middle is with my finger. Just kind of guesswork at first, and then I'm going to pinch the other end and bring it up to that knot so that I know for sure where the middle is and let go. Poof. That's it. I will knot those 2 pieces together on the end, but you see here where it bunched up a little? That's fine. Just pull that down and retwist a little bit. It'll all go together. And that is that. I'll do it a second time. I'll put a knot there at the bottom to put the 2 pieces together, and we're done. Thanks very much. And again, have fun. Love, Miss Bob.